In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Keep tutorial, how to download the desktop app, 5 minutes. We're going to turn Google Keep into a desktop style app using your web browser. This creates a dedicated window and a shortcut you can launch just like any other app without the clutter of tabs. It's quick, safe, and powered by a technology called a progressive web app. Start by opening your preferred modern browser. Chrome and Microsoft Edge work best for this. Then head to keep.google.com. If you're not already signed in, the page may prompt you to log into your Google account so your notes can sync. Once the site loads, look to the far right side of the address bar. You're looking for a small icon that looks like a monitor with a downward arrow, or you might see a prompt that says Install Google Keep. That icon is your install button. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the Keep homepage and not a search results page, and check that your browser is up to date. In some browsers, the option also appears under the menu as Install this site as an app. Click the install icon. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to install the app. Click Install to confirm. This doesn't download a big program, it simply wraps Keep in its own lightweight window and makes it easier to access. Right away, Google Keep opens in a separate window without the usual browser controls. That's how you know the install worked. From here, you can create and manage notes just like you do in the browser, but with a cleaner app-like experience. If you like, pin this window to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. You'll also notice a new shortcut on your desktop and in your app list or start menu, depending on your operating system. That's your launcher for next time. On Windows, look under your start menu's app list. On macOS with supported browsers, check Launchpad or your applications list. Double-click it anytime to open Keep directly. A couple quick tips. If the install option is missing, try Chrome or Edge, reload the page, or sign in first. And if you ever want to uninstall the app, right-click the shortcut or use the browser's app management settings to remove it. Your notes remain safely stored in your Google account. That's it. You've installed Google Keep as a desktop app, giving you faster access to your notes in a tidy, dedicated window.